Man, that weather sure is changing.
I know, the leaves have all fallen and it's starting to get cold. There's one tree I've noticed though that's still green. Do you know what tree that might be?
I don't. Oh, the evergreen!
Evergreen trees, or pine trees, actually keep their leaves on year-round. They're able to do this because of a unique ability to store water in their leaves without freezing. Isn't that cool?
Wow, I didn't know all that about evergreen trees. That's really cool.
Yeah.
When I think of evergreens, I think of Christmas time. Do you want to go to a Christmas tree farm?
Yeah! Whoa! Let's go! Hey, you might think we're here at a forest, but we're actually here at the tree farm. Today, we're gonna go cut down a tree for Christmas. You wanna learn more? Are you ready to go on an adventure? Follow me!
This is a Christmas tree.
Well, these trees come in all shapes and sizes. Look at this little one. And then this medium one. And then this big one. And behind us, you can see some giant trees. Isn't this place the best? Hey, quick! We found the perfect tree. Come on.
Cut down this tree! Cut down this tree! Go get Kermit.
Timber!
We did it.
Time to trim the branches. It's time to wrap the tree. How can we decorate the tree? Lights. Red truck. Star. Owl. Red reindeer. Angel. Santa.
Hey, are you ready to bake some Christmas cookies? What ingredients do we need?
Flour and sugar and eggs and
Milk!
milk.
Yeah!
the dough. Yummy. Uh-oh, broke it. Cookies. Icing.
Milk.
Dear Santa, I want a dinosaur. Dear Santa, I want a puppy. Presents.
Hey, we sure hope you had a good time today. I know I sure did at that Christmas tree farm.
And I loved eating those cookies.
I love cookies too. Hey, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays.
And until next time, get outside and play!